It's called Yellowbird, and it's based on you watching yellowbirds in his backyard, right?
Well, yeah, when I play, I can see out the window when I have a bird feeder. Two yellowbirds that show me up all the time, and they seem to like the music. Every time I play the show, so I said,
Yeah, he plays for the birds.
I play with
Following the birds.
You don't want to go there.
So it's called Yellowbirds, or in parentheses, Lover's Holiday. So picture sun, warm weather. It's just gorgeous. Come take a walk with me out under the rainbow sky and watch a pair of yellow birds flying by. They soar and glide above the trees so gracefully. If only we could be that free. And in my clever dreams about sweet paradise, I love my days and nights around you, and wandering through my mental getaway, a sweet was a place I'm so glad I found you. Time to send the clouds away, take a lover's holiday, push our troubles out of sight. The mood is right for love tonight. I know this love will last as long as time itself. We'll watch the yellow birds take flight. They'll soar by day beneath the diamond sky, while a sweet waltz soothes us through the night. Time to send the clouds away, take a lover's holiday, push our troubles out of sight. The mood is right for love tonight. I know this love will last as long as time itself. We'll watch the yellow birds take flight. They'll soar by day beneath the diamond sky, while a sweet waltz soothes us through the night. While the waltz soothes us through